Hi. Today you will see cases when such luck of people can be explained only by divine intervention. I myself was in complete shock when I edited this video. Take a cup of tea and let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
This motorcyclist seems to have had so little sleep that even the universe gave him a sign. This guy put everything on luck. What was he even thinking about crossing the road in the wrong place at such a speed? How lucky he was that he managed to dodge it. Tigers are the largest cats in the world, which are distinguished by their musculature and sharp fangs, and are also very dangerous predators. But this worker of the Chinese zoo is not confused by the power of the tiger in any way, and he has become quite famous due to the fact that he grabs and pulls the tiger by its tail while playing. He shows this performance daily for zoo visitors. The employee should be grateful to the tiger for being so patient and not attacking him for such antics. That's what a Ford Mustang is capable of when the driver lost consciousness at the wheel. The car proved that it doesn't even need a driver. How do you like it, Elon Musk? If something touches your foot underwater, just hit it with all your might. However, the crocodile may be offended and will return after that with his friends. And I wouldn't be surprised if he already knows where this guy lives. Oh, how lucky the motorcyclist from this video is. The girl is clearly unhappy. Now imagine, it's already Friday, you've finished your working day and are about to leave when suddenly this happens. The guy ran away so fast that the surveillance camera couldn't even capture him. After this video, traffic lights at ski resorts don't seem such a bad idea. When you enter the water, you are back in the food chain. Imagine how the last guy who got out of the water felt. And here's another luck with a shark. This incident occurred in Italy, where during a strong storm a huge wave flew into one of the coastal resort restaurants. Despite the efforts of the staff, the glass facade broke through and the entire surging wave completely flooded the restaurant with the waters of the Adriatic Sea. Some of the restaurant's employees were even hospitalized with minor bruises and cuts. For the passengers of this bus, the driver's smoke break almost ended in a bad outcome. This tractor driver clearly overestimated the capabilities of his tractor. In Australia, sharks work as surf coaches for food. Well, the luck of the guys on this helicopter is only to be envied. It looks like this guy is overwhelmed with more than just emotions. Award, the luckiest motorcyclist, will go to this guy. Does a crocodile live there? Or maybe it's Ninja Turtles. And now you will find out what this plastic partition in front of the cash register is really for. How lucky are the driver and passengers on this bus? This deer ran a little in the wrong place, but fortunately was able to find a way out. Just look what this man managed to capture. The plane's engine caught fire right before takeoff, and the fire took over its entire wing. In this video, a loader approaching for a new load touches one of the shelves. Huge racks start to fall one by one like a house of cards. Fortunately, none of the people were injured, but this oversight led to huge monetary losses. I don't think many of you have had to deal with earthquakes, but the people of Japan systematically have to deal with earthquakes of different magnitudes. In this video, a tourist who arrived in Japan managed to shoot an earthquake of 9 categories. Look how it was. Elephants are animals that are practically non-aggressive both towards other animal species and humans, even though they are the largest land animals and their weight can reach 10 tons. However, in this video, the elephant turned out to be not very friendly towards tourists who stopped by its territory. An elephant in a rage attacks a jeep with tourists who is trying to reverse away from him. Fortunately, the driver managed to do it, and no one was injured in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to support me, just leave your royal like and write any comment. See you soon. Peace.